Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen powerhouse, the Cuisinel Cast Iron Cookware 18-piece set. If you've ever dreamed of owning a comprehensive cast iron collection that can handle virtually anything you throw at it, then this is a set you absolutely need to see. This isn't just a few skillets. Cuisinel has bundled together an incredible array of pieces designed to cover every cooking need imaginable, from searing steak to baking bread. Let's break down what you get. This set boasts a fantastic range of skillet sizes, a 6-inch, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. Having these different sizes is incredibly practical. The smaller ones are perfect for single servings or frying an egg, while the larger ones are ideal for family meals or batch cooking. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a grill pan with a lid, a griddle, a pizza pan, and a substantial Dutch oven. This collection truly lives up to its promise of being the most comprehensive cast iron set compiled. Beyond the sheer quantity, the quality of the cast iron itself is worth noting. Cuisinel highlights its precision heat distribution. This is crucial for cast iron. When it heats up, it stays hot, and more importantly, it heats evenly. This means no more hot spots where food burns and cooler spots where it struggles to cook. This smooth finish on the pans is designed to enhance that even heating, ensuring consistent results whether you're using it on your stovetop, in the oven, or even on an outdoor grill or induction cooktop. The versatility of cast iron is legendary, and this set embraces that fully. You can fry, bake, grill, broil, braise, and sauté. Imagine searing a beautiful steak, then deglazing the pan to make a sauce, all in the same skillet. Or perhaps baking a rustic loaf of bread directly in the Dutch oven for that perfect crust. The griddle is ideal for pancakes and bacon, and the pizza pan promises crispy crusts every time. This set isn't just cookware, it's a gateway to a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Cuisinel emphasizes the craftsmanship. This is cast iron that's built to last. It's pre-seasoned, which is a great starting point, meaning you can get cooking right away. The idea is that with proper care and continued seasoning, these pieces will outlast you, becoming treasured heirlooms passed down through generations. Cast iron develops a natural non-stick surface over time with use and care, and its durability means you don't have to baby it like some other delicate cookware materials. Now, let's talk about the accessories, because Cuisinel hasn't skimped here either. They've included silicone handle grips. These are essential for handling hot cast iron. While the cast iron itself gets incredibly hot, these grips provide a buffer, making it safer and more comfortable to move the pans. Just remember, as the product notes, these silicone grips can also get hot, so always have an oven mitt or towel handy as an extra layer of protection. They've also included a pan scraper, which is invaluable for cleaning stubborn bits of food without damaging the seasoned surface. And finally, a pan rack organizer. This is a thoughtful addition that helps keep your expansive new collection tidy and accessible in your kitchen. It's easy for cast iron to become a jumbled mess, so having a dedicated organizer is a real game changer for kitchen organization. So, what are the pros and cons of such a comprehensive set? On the pro side, the value is undeniable. You're getting a vast amount of high-quality cast iron cookware, along with useful accessories, at a price that's likely much lower than buying each piece individually. The sheer versatility is another massive advantage. This set truly equips you for almost any cooking task. The durability and longevity of cast iron are also significant benefits, promising years of reliable service. The inclusion of the pan scraper and rack are thoughtful touches that enhance the user experience right out of the box. However, there are some cons to consider. Firstly, this is a lot of cookware. If you have a small kitchen or limited storage space, finding room for all 18 pieces, even with the rack, might be a challenge. Secondly, cast iron is heavy. These are substantial pieces of cookware, and maneuvering them, especially the larger skillets and the Dutch oven, requires a bit of strength. For some, this might be a deal breaker. Lastly, while it's pre-seasoned, cast iron does require ongoing maintenance. You need to season it periodically, avoid harsh soaps, and ensure it's dried thoroughly after washing to prevent rust. This is not a set it and forget it type of cookware. It requires a little attention, but for many, that's part of the charm and reward of cooking with cast iron. In conclusion, the Cuisinel Cast Iron Cookware 18-piece set is an exceptional offering for anyone serious about cooking. It provides an incredible breadth of tools for the home chef, built to last and offering unparalleled versatility. While its size and weight might require some consideration, the benefits in terms of cooking performance and long-term value are immense. If you're ready to embrace the timeless appeal and superior cooking qualities of cast iron, this set is a fantastic way to dive in. Link in the description.